Hello friends, welcome to another video by Chef Dino at Dino Valbone. Today we have another recipe where Japan meets Santa Maria. What does that mean? That means we're going to incorporate two different dishes. A delicious dish. So what we have here today is we're going to make what I call Nori wrapped tri-tip Santa Maria style. What does that entail? So here we have Santa Maria style tri-tip that I've made in my pizza oven. If you haven't seen my past videos on my channel, you can check it out. It's Santa Maria style tri-tip made in pizza oven. We have this made and cut into very thin strips, ready to go. We're going to make two different styles of this, one with and one without Ikra. Ikra is a vegetable dish made from eggplant, Anaheim chili peppers, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and it's a paste. It's a dish that you can use in any way you like, as a dip or in a sandwich or as a side dish. And today we're going to incorporate it in our Japanese dish. So this is more of a Middle Eastern dish, more like a Persian, Armenian, Lebanese dish. This is Santa Maria style. We have sushi rice here. This is sushi rice. This is short grain rice, Calrose rice that I've steamed, and I also have incorporated white rice vinegar and sugar. If you don't know how to make this, check out my video on how to make your own sushi. I show you how to do that. Of course, this Ikra, you can check another video I have on my channel, and I show you how to make that. We have some sesame seeds. We have a couple of ripe avocados from our ranch. These Hass avocados. These are from our trees here. We have a cutting board here. I put a saran wrap on it, and we got our Nori sushi wraps. Okay, this is a simple, fast dish. Goes together really well. Oh, you were wondering what this thing was spinning around here. This is mayonnaise with chili oil and sesame oil. All right, so we're going to make two different wraps. One is going to have this yumminess in it. One is going to have Ikra in it. My wife loves it with the Ikra. Me personally, I go with that. And here how it's going to roll. We're going to take a Nori. Okay. We're going to imagine as if we cut this into 4 sections. We're going to put a little cut in there like that. We have a little bowl here with just plain water. Want to wet our hands before handling the rice. And we're going to take some rice. And we're going to just put this rice in the first quarter only of this Nori. Just like that. Okay. Now this is going to be the one with the Ikra. So would you like your Ikra on the rice, on the avocado, or on the meat? On the rice. The lady prefers her Ikra on the rice. So I'm going to take a little mush of this, put it right on there, just like that. My mouth is watering. The smell of this. You have to check out the video I have as to how I make that. Okay, so if you remember, we had spliced our Nori to a quarter. We're going to take that, flip that over like that. Very good. Okay, and now we're going to take our tri-tip and we're going to lay it out. These have been cut into very thin pieces. This tri-tip is incredibly delicious. This is Santa Maria style tri-tip made on red oak on open fire in a pizza oven. So we're gonna flip that over like that. Believe it or not, this is the first time I'm making this dish. I just thought of it today and I thought we put it together. So that's my disclaimer if anything goes wrong here. And then we're going to take some of our avocados, just like that. We're going to place it like that. And little slices of it. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. Subscribing costs you nothing. It helps me a ton on my channel here to continue bringing more videos like this. It's my imagination. Then we're going to take the last piece of our nori and do that right there. All right. Okay, so we got this now, and we want to get ready to be cut up. We're going to take a piece of saran wrap. The purpose of this saran wrap is to kind of contain everything together like you do your sushi rolls. This is where Japan meets Central Coast. All right, so we got that right there. We got our very, 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 very sharp knife. I'm going to cut that open. And look at that. Doesn't that look beautiful, delicious, and tasty? Okay, so we can unwrap this, and we're going to set this aside on a plate while we do our second recipe here, just like that. Okay, so the next one is not going to have the ikra. I chose not to because I want to go with the there you go, just like that. I chose to go with the chili oil, mayonnaise, and sesame oil. Okay, all right, so we're gonna kind of do the same thing here. We're gonna get our nori out. Not cooperating, but we will make it cooperate. So remember, noris have two sides. They have the shiny side and they have the dull side. You want to assemble your ingredients on the dull side. And here we go. Take about, put a cut in there, wet our hands so we can handle the rice. We'll take our rice, just like that. Camera lady is stealing a piece of tri-tip because she's hungry. We don't blame her. She works hard making these videos. Give out a shout to the camera lady, my wife, who helps me make these beautiful videos. She's a wonderful, wonderful lady. Okay, so I got that going right there. I'm gonna get me a spoon. You know what? I think I want a little bit of this on my rice. This is the mayonnaise chili oil. I'll put that there. I'm gonna put some sesame seeds. All right, and we're gonna roll this up just like that. Wonderful. And we're gonna take our tri-tip slices and situate them as such. Now, because I'm a carnivore, I'm gonna do an extra slice there. There you go. And I love this sauce here so much. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more on my tri-tip here. Yes, sir. And I'm licking my fingers. Yes, I am. And because I'm a sesame seed nut, I'm gonna do that. We're gonna go like that. Ooh, this one turned out a little bit different than the other one, the way we're rolling it up, but it's okay as long as you get the results you want. There goes my avocado from Wild Haven Acres. These are Haas avocados. Our ranch used to be a avocado farm, but the gentleman who started it, what happened is he lost a lot of trees to the cold and pests, so he let it go. We were fortunate enough to come along and take over this property. So we have some avocado trees left, and these are the best. I mean, these are just, us avocados are the best and delicious. All right, so I'm gonna put more of this avocados right there. Give my hands a quick rinse. And again, because I'm a sesame seed, now we're gonna do that. And guess what? Just like your wallet, we're gonna fold this over. We're gonna take a piece of saran wrap again. This makes it easier to contain and cut like that. Again, this is the first time I'm making this. I haven't made this dish before. I had all the ingredients and I thought of it, so I figured why not. So here we go. And voila, take that out. So this is a fusion of Japanese meets Santa Maria style tri-tip. You can dip this in soy sauce. You can dip this in ketchup if you like. You can dip this in anything you like. Your imagination is the limit. I'm not saying dip it in ketchup now. I know that's kind of crazy.
It's kind of like a gluten.
Yeah, I would say that's what it would be, okay? Now I'm really curious to taste this myself. I'm gonna take a bite. Oh my God. Camera lady, you wanna take a bite? We're gonna turn the camera over. The camera lady. It's a big chunk of tri-tip. Is that tri-tip tender? Yeah. There you go. Would you have this again? Alrighty. So that says it all. I'm gonna take another bite of my sandwich. Absolutely delicious. Again, thank you for letting me into your home. Thank you for watching my videos. I love cooking. Cooking is fun. It should be for you. Get your kids involved. The reason why I love cooking is because I grew up watching my mom cook, and it's wonderful memories that I carry on even though she's not with us anymore. Live, laugh, love each other, love animals, help them. They depend on us. Live in the moment. Again, I always say this, but forget the past. Don't worry about the future. Just think about what you're doing right now. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Love to all. Okay, folks, I just had to put this last piece of this video in here. Like I said, when I was making this video, this is the first time I'm making this dish. And I'll tell you, this is delicious. It's incredibly delicious. I've even surprised myself as to how good this came out. So this is a very good gluten-free, no bread way of eating a tri-tip sandwich. You have your rice for carbohydrates, you have your avocado, you have your just absolute deliciousness here. I highly recommend you try making this at home. It is just incredibly good, okay? I'm gonna have this last piece for you, my audience. I'll see you in my next video.